Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Viral Ninja. In order to do so, here we are at viralninja.io. And if you're unfamiliar with Viral Ninja, we're just going to do a quick overview here of their homepage. And you can see that with Viral Ninja, it is reported to empower your e-commerce business with AI integrated strategic insights. Maximize your business potential, it says there, with high trending products. And if we just scroll down here a little bit, you'll see what the dashboard looks like, and you have access to a product database and a product scraper. So what does this mean? Well, when you use Viral Ninja, what it does is it offers a comprehensive collection of top-rated products to boost your sales and keep your inventory fresh. So you have access to thousands of high-quality products across various categories. You get regular updates and detailed information so that you could stay ahead with the latest trends and popular items and get complete product descriptions, specifications, and high-resolution images. So this is a tool for businesses that allows you to use AI to analyze products that may be relevant to your business so that you can pick the best products for your business. Let's just go here at the bottom, and we could just take a look here at some of these questions because it'll give us a better idea. So what is Viral Ninja? It is a all-in-one e-commerce platform designed to help you manage and grow your online store with tools like product database, product tracker, product insights, store scraper, and supplier database. How does it work? The product database allows you to access millions of products with detailed information such as trend volume and search volume data. This helps you find the best products to stock in your store. What is the product tracker and how can it benefit my business? The product tracker helps you monitor your inventory and sales performance in real time. It provides live inventory updates, sales analytics, and automated alerts for low stock and high demand items. What insights can I gain from the Product Insights tool? Product Insights provides an in-depth analysis of market trends, competitive benchmarking, and customer reviews. This data-driven approach helps you make informed decisions and optimize your product strategy. So I think that right there is really kind of the nutshell of everything, is optimizing your product strategy. And you can do that with Viral Ninja. So let's take a look here. How does the Store Scraper tool assist in data collection? The Store Scraper automates the process of collecting data from various online stores. It gathers product details, prices, and other relevant information, saving you time and providing accurate, up-to-date data for strategic planning. What is included in the supplier database? The supplier database connects you with verified suppliers globally, offering high-quality products at competitive prices. It ensures that you work with trusted partners and includes negotiation support to secure the best deal. So this is really quite cool. I think that what they have here is a very powerful platform. If you have a business and you're interested in finding out what kind of high-quality products exist out there that might be relevant to your business, you might want to take a look at Viral Ninja. I think that they have a really great idea, and so far from all the reviews, it does seem as though there is a lot of customer satisfaction here. Let's just go ahead and take a look here at what happens when we click sign up now, or get started. We'll click sign up now. And so that's just going to take us here to the create an account page. And so you can go ahead and go through the steps here to add your information if you want to create an account. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.